Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Today's video, stocks going up after 4 years. As markets rise to new highs, the stocks of one sector has been doing very well. This sector had been struggling for some years previously but is now in top gear. The sector which is outperforming is automobile sector. Currently, India is the world's third largest car market and only China and USA are ahead of it. As per estimates, India is likely to become the world's largest automobile manufacturer in 2029. Year by year, more Indian cars are being exported to other countries. In 2023, more than 6.71 lakh cars were exported from India. Since the government is focusing on building a good road network and shifting to alternative fuels such as ethanol blending, the automobile sector has got a lot of support. Good infrastructure and rising income levels encourages and makes it possible to buy more cars. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had urged the automobile sector to ensure that there is a made in India vehicle running across most of the global markets. Automobile sector contribution to Indian economy. This is something which many people don't know. Contribution to India's manufacturing GDP, automobile sector contributes 46%. Contribution to national GDP, that is the Indian economy, 7%. Direct employment from the automobile sector around 15 lakhs. So by supporting and encouraging the growth of the automobile sector, this will result in the overall development of the country. As per research reports, India's automobile sector could result in around 33 lakh crores in extra revenue by 2035 by focusing on making its exports globally competitive and attractive. This is mainly because the world is looking for an alternative to China manufacturing. In 2023, most of the automobile companies manufacturing in India such as Maruti, Tata Motors, Mahindra, Hyundai, Toyota, Honda, Volkswagen, Skoda all reported increase in the exports from India. 2023 was also a year in which a record number of vehicles were sold domestically. Automobile sector, some more statistics. Total cars sold in domestic market in 2023 approximately 41 lakhs compared to 37.9 lakhs in 2022. Maruti Suzuki has the highest market share as of now, around 40%. Total vehicles manufactured in India in 2023, this includes cars, two-wheelers, three-wheelers, trucks, etc. 2.59 crore vehicles compared to 3 crore vehicles for China. So hardly any difference between India and China. So there is a difference of only around 40 lakh vehicles between China and India's total vehicle manufacturing. Within a few years, Indian vehicle manufacturing will overtake China. India's auto component manufacturing is also picking up. In 2023, the auto components industry registered its highest ever turnover of rupees 5.6 lakh crores and it grew by 32.8% compared to the previous year. You can see this very interesting graph. This is the Nifty Auto Index between 2018 and 2022. In 2018 January, approximate auto index level was 11,900 and then it kept falling till 2020, 2021 and 2022 July again it was at 11,900. So for almost more than 4 years it had not crossed the previous figure or the previous high in January 2018. So for the last 4 years approximately it was underperforming and individual stocks also were not doing so well, but from 2022 mid it has been performing well. Between January 2018 and July 2022, approximately 4.5 years, Nifty Auto Index was on a downtrend and it started recovering only from July 2022. In the last 1 year, Nifty Auto Index has appreciated by 55%. Similarly, Nifty Auto Index had done very well between 2014 and 2017. You can see the graph and you will understand that at that period the particular index had doubled and the stocks had given even better returns. So it looks like the up cycle for the automobile sector has once again started. Automobile stocks, basically the car manufacturers, top 3 I have put here. Maruti Suzuki, last 1 year 29% returns, last 6 months 22% returns. So these are all beaten the overall index. Tata Motors 113% last 1 year returns and 6 months returns 51%. Mahindra 37% returns last 1 year, 6 months 19%. Now, the Indian two-wheeler market has also been exporting large quantity of its vehicles and the stocks have also rallied a lot in the last 6 to 12 months. These are the two-wheeler stocks in India. Hero MotoCorp, last 1 year change, 92% increase. 6 months, it has gone up by 66%. Eicher Motors, 19% in 1 year, and in 6 months, 17%. TVS Motors, 1 year, 92% increase of the stock, and 6 months, 58% returns. Bajaj Auto, 118% in the last 1 year, and the last 6 months, 84% returns. So if you do not have an automobile stock in your portfolio, you can consider adding one of them after a complete research. You may also consider auto component companies. The rally in the automobile sector could do well as long as our overall economy does well and the government continues to support the sector. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section, do you own any stock in the automobile sector? If yes, type the name of the company. Otherwise, type no in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.